Guys, this is Angela and I am here to share some knowledge about Boyle's law. I'll be having an experiment later, so let's get started. So you see, pressure is a very significant factor that affects various processes in the environment. It is present at the peak of mountains, under the oceans, and even in the innermost layer of the earth. It is the reason why people can dive, why astronauts are capable of exploring the outer space, why bicycles can move, and why our blood circulates in our blood vessels. And when pressure comes with volume, that's when we relate to Boyle's law. In the 1600s, a chemist and a physicist named Robert Boyle observed the relationship of pressure and volume of a confined gas at a constant temperature. He observed that the product of the measured volumes and pressure of the gas was nearly constant. By that, he formulated the formula P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. The law was then named after him after he published his study about the law in 1662. Boyle's law is an experimental gas law which shows the relationship of volume and pressure at a constant temperature. This law states that when the pressure of the gas increases, the volume then decreases, or vice versa. When talking about Boyle's law, it is very important to know about the standard pressure. There are 5 versions of standard pressure that can be used to solve problems in Boyle's law, and there are 1 atmosphere, 760 mmHg, 760 torr, 101.325 kilopascal, and 14.7 psi. They are all the same, you just need to choose one based on what is needed on the problem. And for the standard temperature, we have 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Take note that before solving any problem, the temperature should always be in Kelvin, or if not, add 273 to the given temperature in degrees Celsius, and then the value is converted to Kelvin. So now let's have a sample problem regarding the Boyle's law. 4.35 liters of a gas is at 1.16 atmosphere. What pressure is obtained when the volume is turned into 9.3 liters? So using the formula P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2, we substitute 4.35 liters to V1 and 1.16 atmosphere to P1. And for the V2, we use 9.3 liters and the P2 is missing. So now we have 4.35 liters times 1.16 atmosphere is equal to X times 9.3 liters over 9.3 liters. And by that we get the answer 0.54 atmosphere. Let's now have the experiment. And for experiment, we're gonna need a syringe. Make sure you already move the needle before you do the experiment. So all we're gonna do with this is you just block the opening by your thumb, just to make sure that when you push this through, they won't escape. So what happened in the experiment is when they push this through, the air molecules inside the syringe compressed due to the pressure exerted here. And that is the reason why it gets harder to push it through as it goes nearer to the end. So as the air molecules inside compress due to the applied pressure, the volume decreases. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and of course I hope you learned something from my simple tutorial about Boyle's law.